Leo Haggerty for Amped Up Sports. All done with the four NFC South franchises. All-time top 10. Was a little difficult selecting because all four were expansion teams. Moving now to the NFC East and a completely different scenario. All four have been around a long time, and it will not be a problem trying to find players, but who to eliminate from consideration. Please remember the criteria I am using starts with Hall of Fame inductees are at the top of the list. But these, as well as any other player on my list, must meet the longevity standard of being with the team at least 7 years. With that being said, I'll start with the Philadelphia Eagles. I know this list will bring up some major conversation as to who is on and who is not. So, who is on your Birds top 10? Chime in with your choices. All that's left to say right now is fly, Eagles, fly. Let's get underway. Honorable mention, quarterback Randall Cunningham. Honorable mention, quarterback Ron Jaworski. Honorable mention, center Jason Kelce. Number 10, quarterback Donovan McNabb. Number 9, offensive tackle Jerry Sizemore. Number 8, wide receiver Tommy McDonald. Number 7, wide receiver defensive end Pete Pios. Number 6, cornerback Eric Allen. Number 5, wide receiver Harold Carmichael. Number 4, safety Brian Dawkins. Number 3, defensive tackle Reggie White. Number 2, running back Steve Van Buren. And my number 1 all-time Eagle, center linebacker Chuck Badnarik. Again, the man who played 60 minutes. Concrete Charlie. Leo Haggerty, Amped Up Sports. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me hear from you as to who your top 10 Eagles are. Book it, Dano.